Have you ever wondered what happens to a restaurant after Gordon Ramsay pays a visit? The kitchen drama unfolds, not just on screen, but long after those cameras stop rolling. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. In a recent episode of Kitchen Nightmares, Ramsay tackled a struggling eatery called The Verdict, located in vibrant New Orleans. Uh, with the show making its long-awaited return, viewers were eager to see how Ramsay would save this family-run establishment. Um, as the episode unfolded, Ramsay faced significant challenges. Um, his patience was tested when a meal awaited him for almost 50 minutes. When it finally arrived, a $34 steak was served with plastic cutlery. Um, Talk about raising eyebrows. Um, the food lived up to its reputation for disappointment. Ramsay couldn't bring himself to enjoy any dish. From overly saucy barbecue chicken wings to a burger that was more raw than ready, um, the kitchen turmoil reflected deeper issues, including family disputes and financial troubles. Today, The Verdict is still alive and kicking. They've embraced their notoriety on social media, boldly stating every form of publicity is beneficial and welcoming all the theatrics that come with it. A video featuring the owner's mother stood out, where she humorously holds her ground against Ramsay, saying, "I admire you, but remember, I'm still your mom." Well, some diners didn't enjoy their experience. Many praised the restaurant for attentive service and delightful food. However, not all reviews were positive. One unfortunate customer shared their experience with bell pepper egg rolls that led to an unexpected trip to the doctor. If you find yourself in New Orleans, The Verdict welcomes visitors at 9301 Lake Forest Boulevard. Uh, who knows? You might just get a taste of their unique twist on Southern cuisine. Gordon Ramsay's impact was significant, but not every restaurant has had a happy ending post-show. And after all, some establishments may be irredeemable, but that's part of the charm of Kitchen Nightmares. And before I go, why did the chef break up with their partner? Because they just couldn't find common time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.